Ready?
You're watching I Love Vine. My name is Nate.
I'm Trinell.
And today we're in Sherman Oaks. And we're checking out
Padrinos Pizza.
Maybe. Kluckin chicken. It was hard to find this place.
Yeah, it's really hard. So if you pull up, you're gonna see Padrinos, but it's really both. So we have to figure that out. Sonny went on a detour, so did I.
But we found it.
We
We're
did.
here.
We finally found it. So they have chicken, right?
Yeah, chicken connoisseur.
Hey, I'm ready to try it. So follow us.
Let's go. All right, so we're over here. It was kind of hard to find this place because there's really no sign outside. It just says Padrinos chicken, but we found it. Padrinos pizza.
Yeah.
I'm just thinking chicken.
So Sonny had to drive around for like 25 minutes.
He was about to be like, I'm gonna go home.
Yeah, I was sitting across the street for like 10 minutes reading signs. I knew how to read, but you know, that's what we did to get this chicken.
Well, we found the info at Yelp. Thank you. Good looking out.
Thanks, Yelp. But what'd you get, man?
So we got the 3-piece tenders, fries, coleslaw right here. They also have the tenders in the sandwiches, so.
Oh, damn. Yeah. All right. You didn't go too ham today, huh?
No, we got some other places to go to. Today's like, we're gonna film a bunch of stuff today.
Yeah.
You guys are gonna be happy. Check out the videos coming soon. All right, so let's check out this spot. We got the mild, so that way we didn't want to just burn ourselves right in the morning. It's like 11 a.m. right now. All right, let's check it out.
So we're gonna do it. So they have the house sauce. They said the owner makes it by himself.
Fresh daily.
So.
Oh yeah, this thing's hot. So they were prepping right when we got here, so this chicken's fresh, it's hot. Big fat tender right there, look at that.
Now their mild does have a kick to it.
Yeah.
Ooh, I'm happy you didn't get the shit. We would have.
Oh,
no. Me and you would have been killing.
The mild's still spicy, but it's not like unbearably spicy, but it's good flavor.
Yeah, I can't even talk right now.
Oh. But it's hot, like I want to tear it out a piece.
It's still moist.
It's really
It's not overdone. I'm pretty sure they put it in a batter overnight. You know, but if you look at it, you can just see all the heat on it. But I like it.
It's painful because it's hot right now.
And then they got these crinkly fries, you know, like back in the day, some Orida, you know what I'm saying?
Their house sauce is good. I like it. Order a couple. You're gonna go through that sauce quick.
Yeah, especially with the fries and everything.
I understand why they have the coleslaw now.
Oh, to cool it down.
Cool down the heat.
Yeah.
You know what's missing? Some mac and cheese. If you guys have mac and cheese, oh, that'd be a banger.
Yeah. I think what it's normally when you make coleslaw, I'm pretty sure it's like mayonnaise, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. No. They don't have anything. It's kind of dry, so you can really taste the pepper and everything they have in it, but it's not creamy like, you know, if we were to go to KFC or something. Which,
But I'm going to work on this chicken right now.
yeah, this chicken's pretty good.
I don't know, where would you put it on the chicken mark?
That's a really good question.
Man, I didn't get to try the spot that you guys went to in Arizona.
So if you haven't seen this spot up here, we went to Birdhouse in Arizona. We didn't have Nate with us, but so you can't really compare, you know. Let's just say if you were to go to, what's the other spot we went to?
Rockbird.
Is it Rockbird?
I think so.
So as far as Rockbird, I don't know. I think
it's better than Rockbird.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's a what?
He said he thinks it's better than Rockbird.
Have you had Rockbird?
Mm-hmm.
Was he with us? Yeah, he was.
Oh, wait.
Wait, was it?
Oh,
Me and you.
Yeah, never mind. You weren't there.
No,
You weren't there. You don't know about
I'm
this.
thinking about someone else.
So I really want to get Sonny's input because I think, you know, Rockbird is doing the damn thing. But this is good though, and we still got a lot more chicken spots to go in fucking
Actually,
2019. So
this isn't bad.
No, it's
I
good.
like it because it's flavorful. It has nice heat.
I think we were just like a little burnt from beginning of getting here. But all in all, besides all the shit that happened, I do like the chicken though.
I kind of want to try how it is in a sandwich, but yeah, man, come check it out. We're gonna put the information down below so you can find it, so that way you won't be lost.
So make sure to read our comment or description. Post some comments.
And I'll even put a picture, so that way you see. so you know where to go.
Yep. But again, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button.
Hit that bell notification so you watch more videos like this one.
Yes, sir.
Share this with your family and friends, because why?
Because they'll love it.
And we'll catch you in the next video.
Peace.